Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of Snapchat. You will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem.